Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a highly requested video for you guys today. One of the things I get asked about most are my eyebrows. As you can see, they're very sparse, but when I do my brows, I often get asked if they are microbladed or tattooed, or what I've had done to them, and it is just makeup. So I am going to show you guys how I go from this to this. Stay tuned to the rest of the video. Okay, so we're just gonna dive right in. The first color I'm using is this lighter taupe shade with the Lime Life angled brush. This has a liner brush on one side and a spoolie on the other, which is really handy for brows. So I start off by just carving the underside of my brow on both sides. And then go back in, and I'm taking my brush on the side and just pushing that line up into my brows. I'll show you up close on this side. So I'm pushing it up, and this gives you a nice kind of natural gradiated effect to your brow, and that is why I love the spoolie side of the brow, because it kind of lets you erase if you get anything kind of wonky. And just keep pressing it up into your brow. And then I'm going to go in with this darker shade, which is one of my faves, shade 28. And then I'm just going to draw the top line and kind of connect my arch to the rest of the brow, if that makes sense. And then after I do this, do it on the other side. Then I go in and just fill in those two lines that I made really easy. So this is still with that darker shade. And then just go and blend those two in with nothing, no more product left on my brush. Just blending the darker shade in with the lighter shade. And then I take my spoolie and just brush it all through so all the product is even on my brows. And then this makes your brows look like they've been microbladed. This is the ticket. I love this brow gel. So I go in and put one coat of the brow gel. You don't press hard because you just want it to coat the hairs. And it's just like mascara, so go on and put your first coat, and then I go in and do a second coat. And then to clean up your brows, this is my magic trick. So go in with your concealer or foundation. Here I went in with my foundation. And you just go and make the underside so crisp. So if you made any mistakes or your brows are, one brow's looking a little off compared to the other, this is where you can clean everything up. So I do that on both the top and the bottom part of my brow. And that's it. So what did you guys think of that video? If you guys did like it, be sure to give this a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you guys would like to see more from me in the future, be sure to click my little face right here to subscribe. And if you want to see how I do my foundation or my latest video, click either one of these, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.